Hi, Brother Bueller here, live from beautiful Ammon, Idaho, and I'd like to introduce you and welcome you to our Math 100G financial or personal finance class. Um, I'll tell you a little bit about myself. I am grew up in Idaho Falls, Idaho. This will be my first year back. I went out to Michigan to teach high school and get my master's degree. I have a master's in education from Western Michigan University. Got my math education degree at Utah State. Go Aggies. I know this is BYU Idaho, but I got to get that plug in there. Um, and I'm absolutely passionate about math. This is my 5th year I'm going to be teaching. I taught 4 years in Michigan teaching middle school math and high school Spanish. And now I am teaching in Idaho Falls, Idaho. We've got a brand new high school we just built, Thunder Ridge High School, and I'm teaching college algebra and Algebra 2 to my students here, and I'm absolutely loving it. And now I've got an opportunity to work with you guys at BYU Idaho. Our goal in this class, of course, is to help you guys as members of the church, as parents, as family members, and as individuals to use mathematics to your advantage in order to improve your family, improve your finances, and use mathematical tools in order to do that. We're not going to be getting too complex into mathematics. The course description, if you look on the syllabus, which we have right here, is to just retain the fundamentals of basic arithmetic and algebra and use those mathematical principles in order to help you in your daily life. Talking about money, talking about how we can use basic formulas in order to help you with your finances, and just help you as a better parent, as a better husband or wife, a better colleague, better citizen, dealing with money and dealing with your daily life. This is BYU Idaho. Our goal isn't solely on the content matter. It's about making you guys better people, better citizens, better disciples, and that's really what I'm here to do. Help you use math to your advantage in your life so that your family can be happier, you can have a better financial situation, and really just make your community, your ward, your stake, your world a better place. We all have the ability. This math is horribly complicated. I know some of us struggle with math, and that's why I'm here to help. But the better you understand how mathematics works, the easier it is going to be to manage your finances. And so just some basic things we're going to talk about in this class, but always focusing back on how you can use it in your life. Math, honestly, isn't of much value unless you actually use it. So we're going to talk about the most basic ways we can use it to help our families, help our lives, help our finances. And so we're just going to cover some basic stuff. We're going to also come up with some ways of having a computer help us to do that. So we're going to use some spreadsheets. But the whole goal, once again, to help our families, to help ourselves, to help our communities, to help the church, and to help you just become better with your finances. I mean, if we could just get that stress out of our lives, or at least reduce it, that's going to make our lives better just for ourselves, let alone helping our communities, helping our families. So I just want to let you know I'm here for you. My contact information is on our course webpage. Let me know if you need any help. I'm always here, always ready to help, and look forward to working with you guys and have some fun with math.